Welcome. In this video I will show you how to remove and replace keycaps on your Logitech G316 X keyboard. So in order to have no issues during this process, I highly recommend running some software that will let you check your keyboard easily, your keys easily. I can recommend Keyboard Tester Pro application. It is available on Microsoft Store and it's free to use. Let me show it to you. Okay, I'm gonna have it on one side. And now to remove the keycap, you're gonna have to use a tool like this. Unfortunately, I didn't find one within the original box to this keyboard. It's probably because we don't have any spare keys in it. But I think it's pretty common. And you can get it cheap and pretty universal for any keyboard that you use. Basically, to remove any key, you just have to place this tool carefully like this, then expand these edges until you catch your key, and now carefully pull it while holding down your keyboard. And this way you will remove the key. Sometimes it pulls out along with the keycap holder. Now, as you can see, we can check the pressure. So yeah, if you don't want to get them both out, you have to hold down your keyboard and then gently pull this tool up. So if you just rip it, it will most probably get this keycap holder along with the keycap, which is not a big issue. You can get it back just as fine. And then just get your new keycap and place it in the place of an old one. Just make sure to align it correctly. Just gently push it right here and instantly check the response time, latency, and responsivity. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.